Hello, in this video I am going to show you the replacement of the substitute or temporary wheel or shoulder bolt for the Westinghouse 3600v generator wheel kit handle. I obtained a wheel or shoulder bolt that was very close to the specifications that I needed. Even though the thread's length is 5.5 millimeters longer than what I needed, it still fits securely into the generator. And the shoulder diameter is a little small, but I compensated by putting these tubes that I also obtained over the shoulder. The bolt can swivel very nicely and smoothly. The copper tubing takes up the excess space, and it also fits securely and nicely into the generator. The reason I wanted to switch out or replace this temporary bolt was because I use plastic or a pen cap as the shoulder for a screw, but I wanted something more durable or substantial, so I came up with this assembly. And that reduces the amount of play that I had with the temporary shoulder bolt. Thank you for watching.